Alright, August 6th, Northwest Wisconsin. This is a good day. It's a Thursday, 70 degrees, a little bit of sun. We're going to get a look back in the hives here. Got a couple bee builders next to Hive 3, which is in the middle. We're going to look at the bee builders. The one on the right here, I direct released a Saskatraz queen 7 days ago, so I'm curious to see how she's doing. The little bee builder on the left here has an older queen in it that seemed to be failing some, so we replaced her and moved her into this bee builder box. And then Hive 3 has a queen that I hatched out of these bee builder boxes that's been doing pretty well so far, so I'm curious to see how she's doing too. Now, this little box has only about a frame of bees, if that. But I'm curious to see what they'll do with having just a few bees and a queen. Here they're drawing this comb out really nice. Brand new frame, brand new foundation. Got some cat brood, which might have been in there. I have eggs in the cells below the cat brood. And there's our queen. Got lots of bee bread, lots of eggs. Got a little blue dot on her. Beautiful queen. Alright. Well, we know this box is doing okay, other than it has very little bees, but that's okay because this is my bee builder, and the only purpose of this is to have an extra queen and some extra bees if I need them. So let's get a look at Hive 3. And Hive 3 is a little bigger hive, still small by many standards, but we're going to go ahead and give them a little smoke. There was quite a few bees in here last time I was in. They really got this glued down. Well, let's take a look. This outside frame's pretty much drawn out, starting to pack some honey in it. Lots of bee bread. full of bee bread. Put this pollen patty on a week ago, and it doesn't look like they well, they did eat quite a bit of it from the underside. Sucker got me. Working on this blank frame. We got a little bit of honey already built up, still drawing comb. Capped honey on the top. Solid bee bread. Boy, they're still bringing in a lot of pollen. Didn't happen to see her queen anywhere. Drawn out frames, got larvae in it, eggs, and we'll see our queen on this one. Lots of eggs. And the larvae in the middle. Watch out, girls. And we got lots of larvae, eggs, more bee bread, and bringing in pollen. That's good. Lots of eggs to feed, lots of larvae to feed. That pollen's going to come in handy. Trying to build this one up big enough to make it through the winter. If it doesn't get big enough, I'll just combine it with my other hives. And there's our queen. Big old queen. This is the queen that I hatched here. She is a big girl. Biggest queen I have. Lots of eggs, lots of larvae, nice healthy queen. We're going to go ahead and button it up and give them some privacy. Alright, let's go ahead and look at this bee builder here. Bee builder number 1, bee builder number 2. Bee builder number 1 has one of the original queens from the spring when I started beekeeping, but she's been failing, barely producing most of this year. So I replaced her, put her in here because I hate to get rid of a queen, just to see if I can use her to build up other populations, produce some bees for other hives. So let's take a look at her and see how she's doing. This hive also I gave a pollen patty just to kind of help them get along. I'm curious to see how our older queen, you know, when I say older, I mean older as in my apiary older. My apiary just started in April. She's one of the originals. We had possibly a queen cell hatch. Maybe they replaced her. Let's see what we got in here. Not seeing any eggs. I got some pollen, bee bread. Lots of empty cells. Got bee bread, do have some larvae. So we had a queen in here at least 6-8 days ago. Okay, I've got eggs in this side. And it looks like 2 more queen cells that they're working on. So it looks like this hive isn't happy with my failing queen either. And there she is. There's little Miss Failing Queen right there in the top part of the frame. A little bit of blue on her. So she's still laying eggs. We got some larvae. But looks like they're trying to replace her because she is a very poor queen when it comes to production. My hive 2 that she's originally from, they tried replacing her I don't know how many times. Solid bee bread. Lots of bee bread. Okay. So, our queen's still here. We found 3 of 3 queens. This queen is still not performing. She's a very poor queen. And we'll see if maybe they'll replace her. I'll just let that hive be and let nature take its course. Being a first-time beekeeper, this is all exciting to me to see how they are able to replace a failing queen, and they know when the queen is failing. And also I'm experimenting here a little bit to just see how quickly I can get a hive like Hive 3 started and how quickly it can build up, having builder bees to support it. So that's about it for these 3 hives. I'm going to button it up, but if you like what you see, please subscribe. Here in Northwest Wisconsin, first time beekeeper.